Put a bag on your radiator, and the air will be cleaner than ever. Radiators rarely get thoroughly cleaned, which is a mistake since they collect a lot of dust that later spreads into the air. This is especially harmful to allergy sufferers. Narrow gaps and limited space between the radiator and the wall make cleaning difficult, but it's worth doing regularly to prevent health issues. Luckily, there's a quick and effective way to remove dust from inside the radiator without even taking off the cover. All you need is a trash bag and a hairdryer. First, make sure the radiator is cool. Then, attach a trash bag to the bottom of the radiator using tape. Poke a few small holes in the bag with a needle. This is crucial to prevent the plastic from melting. Now, turn your hairdryer to maximum power and direct the airflow from the top of the radiator. The dust will be blown out and trapped in the bag instead of spreading into the room. With this simple trick, your radiator will not only look cleaner, but also work more efficiently. Before the heating season, pour this simple mixture onto your radiator, and it will be clean and smell like new. Many people forget to properly prepare their heaters for winter, and throughout the year, a lot of dust accumulates inside them. However, you don't need to disassemble the radiator to clean it. Just pour a washing solution through it. In a measuring cup or jug, add 2 tablespoons of laundry powder, which effectively removes dirt. Then, pour in 500 milliliters of warm water and mix well until the powder dissolves. Place a bowl under the radiator and then slowly pour the mixture in so that it flows through its inner parts. The dirt that has accumulated there will start flowing into the bowl immediately. This is the best way to thoroughly remove dust, and the warm air from the radiator won't spread dust mites, which allergy sufferers will particularly appreciate. The bottle trick is a simple and effective way to lower your heating bills. With rising energy costs, many people are looking for inexpensive ways to keep their homes warm for longer. In Finland, where winters can be extremely harsh, this clever hack has become a real hit. The method is praised for being both effective and easy to do. When the heating season begins, many people wonder how to stay warm without spending more. The Finnish bottle trick helps extend the warmth in your home without the need for expensive equipment. All you need is a tightly sealed bottle filled with water and salt placed on the radiator. The secret lies in the ability of salt water to retain and slowly release heat. As a result, the room stays warm even after the heating is turned off. In addition, this method helps reduce moisture and prevents mold growth. Experts say that regular use of this trick can lower energy consumption by up to several %.